In this video, we will see Money Flow Lite by BitQuery. It is an investigation tool you can use to track specific funds. You can effortlessly navigate through several hops with automated clustering of addresses. This increases the efficiency of the investigation process. Now let's get started. Go to lite.bitquery.io, enter the address here you want to track the funds for, and then select the blockchain and then select the date range. You will see the address statistics as soon as you complete this form. I will show you how to do it. I'm gonna put in a Bitcoin address. Select the Bitcoin mainnet. The automated date range will be selected. You can change this, but I'm gonna keep it same. You can see the address statistics here. Balance in BTC, then balance in USD, inbound transactions and outbound transactions. So inbound transactions are the transfers to this address, and outbound transactions is transfers that this address did. Now I will click on create money flow. Now the system will generate a graph of flow of funds around this address. I will zoom in a little. So you can see this middle node, right? This is the origin address that I put in the form. From these sides, the funds flow in, and from this side, the funds went out. You can see these nodes, right? These are address groups through which Bitcoin came to this address, and to these addresses, it got sent. Here, if you zoom in and click on any of the edge, you will see the edge details. I'll click on this edge. I will get the transactions that are associated with this edge: transaction hash, sender, receiver, transaction amount, tracing amount, and currency. I can click on this transaction hash and I can see all the details on the BitQuery Explorer for this transaction. All the attributes, input, outputs. By clicking on this flow line, I can see the transactions involved. The sender receiver here also, you can see amount. I can also filter out the data as per any of these attributes. When you click on any of the node, you will get the details of the address group for that node. A node is basically a group of addresses clustered together due to their similar transaction behavior. You can see the inflow and outflow of the address group and the tracing balance of the group. Here you will see all of the addresses individually mentioned. Right now our group contains only one address, so we are seeing here only one address. You can also see tags here. Right now there are no tags available for this particular address. But if it's a relevant and renowned address, then there are multiple tags present, which Moneyflow itself attaches to an address. You can see the inflow, outflow, and tracing balance per individual addresses also. Now click on trace in and see where the funds came from. Now the inward, now this side of the hops will contain one more level because we have clicked on trace in, which will increase the number of levels in the incoming transactions. Just like that, you can also click on trace out and you will see one more level on the outbound side to get a much better feel of the flow of funds. Every click on one of these trace in or trace out button adds one more level to the graph, or you can say hop. System can generate the graph up to 10 hops. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.